All right, here we go. Here she sits. Big 349 deal, baby. Yeah. Let's get this motherfucker. All right. Let's get it. I guess I'm gonna have to walk up through the fucking swale. Rock form phone case, come on. Magnets, baby. Probably the car's gonna be here at 8. So I'm supposed to have it ready to go. Well, we'll see what happens with that. I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna come move that now. I'm just turning this so I can get it out of here. I think that the ball will fucking move itself. There you go. Now I'll get that bucket out of his way. I'm good. I ain't gonna hit nothing. He's got it. He's the man. He knew I didn't want to walk through that swale. Alright. Alright. It's just a big bulky motherfucking, you know what I mean? Ain't nothing to it, it's just bulky, big. I gotta get up here, I gotta turn around so I can walk it out. I gotta turn the machine around because I gotta have the drives in the back of the trailer. So instead of getting out there on the asphalt and fucking with it, I'll do it up here. I'll drive it up here and drive it out. Watch. Do what you gotta do. I know what I gotta do. I know what's gotta be done. I don't give a fuck about anything else. I'm spinning around this way. No, I don't hit nothing. Alright. Now we're going to get down that. We're going to go down that hill. I'm going to get it turned this way like this with a bucket instead. That it keeps it from the rocks getting in there. You know what I mean? It keeps from the rocks getting up in the tracks when you turn like that, or dirt, whatever the fuck you're dealing with. But yeah, so I got to drive down, turn around, and back it home. Slippery, baby. Slippery when wet. Oh yeah, Bon Jovi, Bon Jovi reference. What's up, cuz? That's one of the superintendents. You know, he's happy with that. He ain't yelling. They got him shut down. Yeah, they got him shut down for me. That's good. I'm coming right out. See, I ain't doing all that turning like that other boy did. You know what I mean? See how he got it all fucking... That ain't from me. That's from somebody else. Honestly. That one's not from me. I'm might have broke that curve, but I don't. Look how much I'm gonna turn. Look, that's it, right here. Turning is done right now. Now turn the motherfucker around. I could tell they already had it shut down. I'm good behind me. I'm good in front of me. Let's get it spun around. They can let traffic go, and I'll get it on the fucking trail, and we'll be on to the next one, baby. Yeah. Kick them mocks out so we don't mash them down. Yo! David! Yo! There we go, there you go. There you go, attaboy. I gotta get up here and now I gotta fucking knock that binder off because I'm not jumping out of the fucking machine for it. That is what it is. Ain't gonna be much. Just gotta get it off the trailer so I don't bust it with the fucking tracks. It's all just like that. Alright. Give her a little bit of a tilt so I can see where I'm at. Let's go. Crack that idle down, you don't need it all jacked up like that. Just creeping it on there, that's all. So we want one whole board and a piece, just a little tiny piece of that second one with the inside of the track. That's where we're at. So once I get up here flat, I'll straighten it out. Alright, we're flat, I'll straighten it out. Alright, crack that down some more. Let's get her on up now, see? Motherfucker be perfect, man. Watch them fucking boards, man. Them boards don't lie to you. I don't need nobody down here for reference because I got them fucking boards. I know what I'm, you know what I mean? I know what I'm looking at. Figure out what the fuck you're working with, man. And then it just gets easier. So now I wish he'd be up here watching when I put this down. But I'll get out and look. Hey bud, I'm gonna put gold on that mirror there so you remember to get out and look. Let's see what we got. We're good on this side. Let's see real fast. Let's get out and look. Alright, we're good. That's good. Should be good on both sides. Let's see. Could turn that way a touch, but I don't give a fuck. It's good enough for me. Get it down. Let's get it down. Now I just want to touch that wood, you know what I mean? Get it there. That should be good. I'm gonna bust that board up, but it don't matter. It's gonna keep it off that fucking back axle. That's gonna keep me from cutting down a fucking airline like I did before. Trial and error, babe. You gotta learn. So we'll get it. We're good now. Oh, my phone. I always forget that motherfucker. That's the only thing bad about the magnets. You will forget it. Alright, so I just like to get that shit draped out right now. This is gonna be going like this. Look how that track's fucking bent. That's what destroys stuff. Alright. Let me see. Nah, I'll have to come right here with that. I have to go right here. Right here. Alright. I'm gonna go there. This one goes across. This one's going right to the side of the fucking trailer. See, I'm off them lines. That's just what I wanted right there, off them lines. How you doing? Good morning. So I got the machine, you know, further to the back. That's what they told me. That's what they get. I ain't here to fuss. Now the part where you know everything and you're telling me where I fucked up so far. But I like it. Let me know. I'm far from perfect. Inside track, man. See, it's a little bit heavier on that side. Oh, fuck, man. That ain't enough to worry about. That's perfect in my boat. I get all my chains draped, hooked up, aired up, and then while it's airing up and chaining down, or tightening down, you know. That's just the way I do it. Alright. The fucking goddamn grease. Fucking idiots, man. Fucking idiot. Where's grease? Bullshit. That's getting the grease off, in case you're fucking wondering. Alright. Get this one out a little bit. Alright, this one will go here. That's why I use that one. I'm good to go. Get hooked up. Whew.